My name is Muhamad Lua. For me, it was a holistic learning experience where we covered three major aspects that includes the law in real estate, especially in Malaysia industry, and also how to conduct myself in the real estate industry in Malaysia professionally. And our instructor, Ping, she also briefed us on the market outlook for 2018, which is very beneficial for me, I would say, so that I actually have an idea on what is going on in the real estate industry in Malaysia. Definitely, I have benefited a lot. Because I have to be honest that I am very blessed to have a very good lecturer, Ping, because she actually taught us really well on how to be professional in conducting yourself in the real estate, and also to understand the market, and to understand our own responsibility, and to not violate any boundaries. Yes, definitely I would recommend the course because for me, throughout the learning experience, it was very professionally conducted. It was we were given unbiased opinion, and at the same time, the whole flow was very systematic and easy to understand.